I got select FOTL Bird 2790. Good luck. Dice roll 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7-ear Vikings up top, Ravens at the bottom. Seven times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7-ear Corey up top, Basso at the bottom. Let's sort out those squads. There's your squads. Good luck, boys. Here we go. Good luck, boys. Good luck. Again, take your squads in the PYC and the PYT. Josh Allen, Jared Goff, Jalen Waddle on the silver, Von Miller and Tom Brady. Silver phenomenon of Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins. Juju Lamar silver. Nope, not silver. George Pickens neon. Garrett Wilson on the silver and Darius Slayton. A silver Garrett for the Jets. Jonathan Owens, Chris Olave, Sensation, silver Jordan Brooks, and T. Higgins. Another thick pack, bunch of thick ones. Got blue, Zay Jones for the Jags, Jordan Poyer, silver Bernard Raymond for the Colts, and Brian Cook. Zay Jones on the true blue for the Jags /99. Charles Cross, Mahomes, Jonathan Taylor on the silver. D-Hop and Debo Samuel on the field level for the Niners. Frank Clark, Josh Allen, Phenomenon, silver, Patty Mahomes, and Kevin Harris. Well, that one's super thick. We'll save the super thick one. Arnold E., Kirk Cousins, Nakobe Dean for the Eagles /199. Eagles going to Matty Ice. Filler cards, silver Jack Sanborn and Sam Williams. Devontae Adams, Ruckert, Dak Prescott off the back. Kyle Hamilton on the rookie. Malik Willis /49 RPA bronze for the Titans and Alex Pellerito. There you go, Alex. Malik /49. Devontae Wyatt, rookie for the Packers. Julio, Sauce Gardner, nice one for the Jets /75. Jets and James Dorito. There you go, James. Filler card, Brandon Ayuk and Harrison Phillips. Damian Pierce, rookie jumbo /99 for Houston. Houston, and Tyler Limpert. There you go, Tyler. Telling you, Damien's going to have a hell of a year. Michael Pittman Jr., Tyler Conklin. Tricolor Romeo Dobbs for the Packers to 249 on the tricolor for Dobbs and the Packers. Myles Garrett filler cards, silver Dalvin. Christian Watson rookie for the Packers as well. Last pack. Good luck, boys. Good luck. Another thick one. Should have vertical RPA. We got Tiger. Von Miller. Good luck. Jalen Hurts. Rodgers. Who do we got on the Tiger? Zay Jones. Tiger for the Jags. Jags going to Timmy Boville. Zay Jones on the Tiger. There you go, Timmy. RPA for the Falcons. Tyler Algier, 13 out of 30. Check out that patch. Falcons and Darren Bazan. There you go, Darren. Nice hit. Tyler. Algier to 30. 13 out of 30. Recap time. Romeo Dobbs. Damien. Sauce to 75. Malik. RPA to 49. Nakobe Dean. Zay Jones. Garrett Wilson. Tiger. Zay Jones. We're building the rainbow. And Tyler Algier. 13 out of 30. That's the break. Thanks for the fill. You guys, I'm going to